I'll give you guys a quick overview of levels to expect on SPX that I'm personally watching for. Pretty much the levels I gave you guys this morning. If we take a look here, the 41, 48, 95. There's a possibility that this is probably going to get tested, but I'm looking for some downside post FOMC once Jpow gets on and we can pretty much test these lower levels, 40, 97, 40, 88. Even if we zoom out more, we do have some gaps to fill on the downside into 40, 74, 40, 60. You guys know the drill. That's what I'm watching for at the moment. The real move typically comes when Jpow gets on, not at 2 o'clock. Just keep that in mind. Ivy will get crushed after 2 p.m. I wouldn't get into anything yet. Spending the next 15 minutes basically just prepping you guys on what to expect. But this move here is pretty much what I was expecting to happen today. Here. Well, let me turn this off. Here. And then basically here. So into that 41, 48, 95. Okay. We haven't gotten that yet. But that's basically what I was watching earlier when we did take the calls. If we were able to hit 41, 48, 95, then that would be the best RR for your shorts. Reminder, keep your size in light. Treat everything like a lotto, okay? I may not be able to type everything out. So if people end up missing it, then I'm sorry, all right? For those that aren't enjoying the stream or whatever. It's going to be really hard because everything moves extremely fast, very high volatility when it comes to FOMC. So just be mindful. You can just take 1, 2 contracts at a time. It doesn't really matter. Your goal is just to hit some quick bags. But like I said, the real move will come after Jpow, okay? Once he gets on. ES, same levels I gave you guys this morning. Nothing has really changed. If we end up seeing 4160, this can likely go higher into the 4170s. But this whole range is basically what you want to watch, this entire dump that we had yesterday. And this whole move that I drew out a couple nights ago pretty much played out yesterday. This is the move I was expecting today on FOMC, which pretty much happened yesterday. But we'll see what happens. We're right back into this range on SPX. So a break to either side would essentially provide you with the direction. I am watching 4080s. I also added 4100 puts, mainly due to the fact that that's going to get pretty cheap later. So 4100, 4080, 4070, 4060, likely focusing on 4100, 4080. As of right now, 4132.75 broke. This is bearish. If it wasn't for FOMC, I would obviously be shorting this right now.
I was just going to ask if you had any open bids set. Put some calls.
Yeah, I just have one on 4080 at 2 at the moment. 2 and 1.6. I don't even know if those are going to get filled. I think the 2 might get filled, but the 1.6 might not. There's that first initial dump. I got filled at 2. Bang, baby. Let's see what happens now. Filled at 2 on 4080p. You guys can feel free to scalp this. That was 20% right there. 20%. Bang. Here we go. Out 50%. Everybody should have gone filled on that. You cannot tell me you didn't get into that trade because I told you guys to set a bid at 2. Bang. Easy. Let me just cancel my once. Actually, I want to keep it. No, I'll cancel it for now. I'll just wait for Jpow next. Tell me everyone caught that. Yes? 4080 at 2? That was fucking fire. Now you wait. My life. I've been grinding all my life. Anyone that traded futures, 4160 was perfect for you guys. You just had to set a little bit wider of a stop, but 4160 rejected, 4188 rejected on SPX, right? Now you wait. Chart looks super bearish right now. So we can definitely reload these. Oh, this is fucking drilling. Drilling. Drill City, baby. This is going to hit a bag from our entry. Okay, we got plenty of time right now until Jpow. That was beautiful though, guys. You know what's great? I recorded this whole thing. It's going to be great content to post.
Dude, I sound horrible after the next game.
Took 4080 puts at 170, just a small size for now. Still winning on Jpow, but I think this is a good area to get in. My original bid was at 1.6 earlier anyway, so this isn't a bad area to get in. Basically, this 41, 41, 88 rejection. Just wait on that. You can feel free to scalp this if you like. Oh shit, I forgot to type it out. My bad. My bad.
Come on, bro.
Hey, look at that. Perfect. Nice little 12% so far. Now, I would like to get into 4100 because that would be the safer trade versus 4080s for something to hold into 3 o'clock. But feel free to trim it, 20%. Now you can keep your stop loss at break even. Kind of crazy that the original bid that I set at 1.6, the low that we just hit was 1.6. Crazy. It's like TA works. Let's see. Okay, here we go. 41, 48, 95. If that happens, I'm looking at 4100. You guys should be stopped out at break even. 41, 60, 50. Rejected again on ES. I'm glad you guys are still on stream, being patient and waiting. You guys having fun? Fun, right? Easy, stress-free, no emotions. Play the fucking chart. I'm sending a bid on 4100 puts at 2.7. It may not get filled. Update you guys on stream if I cancel my bid and stuff like that. If this goes the other way, then obviously I'm going to cancel my bid, right? Come on, Jpow. Say something good and then flip it around. I don't even have the stream running, so if anyone else is listening, feel free to let me know what he says. Now, for the 4100, you can probably set a tighter stop. The low a day is 252. So depending on what SPX does here, we'll manage it based on that. All right. 4080 is looking pretty good. 4132.75 holding. You guys know that's a weekly pivot as well. May just have to get into 4080. I don't think I'm going to get filled on this 4100. I'm going to give it a second. Oh, they're dumping it. Yeah, the chart looks horrendously bearish right now. Yo, UPST is ripping right now. Oh, man. Here we go. Pretty boring so far. Anyone listening to Jpow? Anything, any keywords they saying? Is he talking about inflation or anything like that?
Nah, he's just going over the Q&A when he says some shit that leaves the market.
Oh, shit. I think this is the move. Patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. I don't think I'm going to get filled on those 4100s, unfortunately. All right, watching 4080 again, because I don't think I'm going to get filled on the 4100s. All right, I'm in at 4080.28. 4080.28. Here we go. 36%. I got a trim off at 350. 37%. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see how far we can dump on this. Feel free to set your stops. Break even, as per usual. Heads will roll. Heads will roll when this dumps. Bye-bye. See you later, alligator. Boom, boom, bing, bong. Trim at 4.8.
Oh, jeez.
And I'm out the rest. I will look to reload this at some points. Watching 4070s. I'm not going to chase this. I just missed the fucking fill. Oh, this thing is sending. 41, 48, 95. Let's see what it does here. Watching 4100 puts. They came down pretty much to where I wanted to originally get in. 4100, I got filled. 265. You can keep a stop like above 41, 48, 95. We pretty much almost just tested that. So that was the area that I wanted to essentially get in. 41, 41, 88 needs to break. Oh, these premiums are getting some wild movements right now. Oh, baby. Sexy back, bring sexy back. Hey. Filled at 3.4 on a trim. 47%.
All about the right now.
Oh, snap. Send it. Trim again, 4.5. This is 100%. Bang. Relatively flat, to be honest. If you guys are actually looking at the chart, we've been trading in the same range since 2 p.m. So 100%. Bang. Fucking bang. Let's go. Yeah, sir. All right, I'm all out. 5.5. All out. 4100p at 5.5. All right, guys. How are we doing? I think it's the obligatory time to ask. How are we doing? Very good. Yes. Very good. Easy fucking peasy, my friends. Yo, you know what's mad funny for this video? The whole stream that I recorded. I'm gonna show you guys what I was wearing for it. So one of the guys in Xenith, Jay, actually bought me this Versace bathrobe as a gift, mad randomly, and I really appreciate it. So I figured, like, honestly, I would never wear a bathrobe, but I figured, yo, if I do this shit on stream, I can wear it and it'll be funny as hell. So I decided today, it's Fomc, I have to. That's what happened. This might be my good luck charm now. Yo, guys, are we done?
It's crazy how flat this has been, like, overall.
What's crazy with how flat it is? 50%, 24%, 71%, 108%. Fuck with me. Let's go. I think we can short this again. Honestly, we just short every fucking bounce until it dumps to 4080. Now, I can't wear this for every stream. The law of diminishing returns, right? You wear this all the time, luck rubs off from it. You gotta wear this like once in a while.